Alright guys, welcome back to Ordinary E. These are all the parts that are finished and ready. While we're painting the side panels, we're going to start putting some of these parts together and back together and start building this PC. Let's get on with it, man. Let's get on with it. First thing I'm going to tackle is I'm going to put this front AO back together, clean this up a bit dusty and stuff. So I'm going to blow out the inside of these USBs. Hopefully it still works. I didn't test this case, and everything else looks to be okay. So we've got an audio, we've got the USB, and we've got all the reset and power and HDD lights. Okay, so I think that's going to work with the motherboard. Just got to check the manual, make sure that's going to fit okay. Alright, let me clean this up. Don't need this at the moment. We can actually put this back in. Yeah, let's do that. So shave down all the buttons so that they fit nice again, and we'll press. Alright guys, we have the front shield back on. Everything seems to be popping nice. Let's put this back on the case. Attach this earth wire first. Ejectable DVD. I think just check. Yeah, that's about right. You can tell where it was from the screws. So I'll show you what I'm doing here, just fastening the DVD player in. Both sides. cool, looking good. One thing I did cover up was the LED lights. I may have to drill these out again a little bit. Yeah, she is on, guys, she is on. Alright. Now, I do got to see if I've got a back plate for the AIO, or whatever you call it, the IO, for the motherboard. So I've got to go and hunt and see if I have that part. But what we can do, we can put the power supply back up together, and we could probably put that in. So let's do that. Alright, power supply is back together. It worked before because we tested it. Hopefully it still works. So we can probably put that in the case. Although I do want to put the motherboard first. Possibly. No, let's put it in. So oh, look at that. We are going to see it. I could do it the other way. We wouldn't see it. But why would we do that? It, one power supply, and you can see the 555 underneath. I can't believe it. Yeah, I didn't think you was going to be able to see it because I thought it was going to be on the other side, but that's cool. There's a little hidden thing there. Okay, so we have the case back together. Let's now work on the motherboard. Do we want to put a drive in here? Yeah, we do. Is that advisable to put it in now? Could do. Could do. Let's get a drive. Alright guys, so we've got a couple of drives here. We've got one that's a Maxtor, one that's a Seagate, and one that's a WD Western Digital. I don't know if there's anything on these. This is 300 gigabytes. This is 160 gigabytes. It's rubbish. This is 500 gigabytes, so I think we'll go with 500, obviously. Don't know what we're going to do with this. We can give these a go though, just want to see if they work. I'll do that off camera myself. And yeah, we'll put a drive in. Let me try and find this IO shield, because that would be nice to put in. That matches the motherboard, right? And then we could put the fans on, we could put the motherboard on, and we just got to finish the side panels. I think we're good to go. Oh, the other thing is you haven't told me what OS, so I guess I'm going to have to choose an OS again. Guys, you're not interacting with the videos. You need to say stuff. You need to say, like the theme I chose myself because of, I'll tell you at the end of the video why I chose this theme. And you know, now I've got to choose the OS system. You guys don't want, you want me to make all the decisions. That's fine. That's fine. We are back. We've got the motherboard, and so we're not going to need this power button anymore. Hopefully the power button on the case works. If not, we have to swap it out for this one. So that's handy. I've got this. Right, we need to find an IO shield now. I have a bunch of IO shields from all the parts I've been taking apart. Let's see if one fits. No idea which one. Don't tell me I've got it first time. No way! It fits. That's the one. Jesus. Do they all fit like that? Let me have a look at this one. Oh, they're all the same. So you can have this one that has no colours. So this one fits as well. I did not know that. Can you see that? So this one fitted. I think, yeah. And even the colours are right. So that's cool. This one probably be nicer. It's just grey, no colours, and it fits. I have to change, I have to bend this back. There you go. So yeah, it fits as well. Do they all fit in them in these days? They're all just fitted? Oh yeah, this one fits as well. That's just silver. Actually, it doesn't have the 3 at the end. Kind of fits. No, it doesn't fit at that side. This one's the same, so that one doesn't fit. This one would not fit. Alright, so they didn't all fit. This one, this one doesn't fit. Would have been smart if they did one that fits them all, right? That one doesn't fit. This one looks like it would fit. Yeah, this one would not fit because of that. Okay. That's why you gotta keep everything, man. Jesus, this one is not. That looks like it came with something that didn't have very much. So, and then the last one I have is this. No, that's not gonna fit. I think that's all the ones I have. Okay, so we got a choice, either the coloured ones. What do you think, guys? The coloured ones. I don't know. Or I think we'll just go with the plain, because I don't want too much different colours on this theme. Right, so we'll just go with this one. It does fit, right? Let's just bring this back a bit more. Kind of doesn't fit because it's a bit out. Yeah, maybe it's not that. I think this one fits the best. Yeah, this one fits the best, so that's decided it. I'm going to go with this. That should just simply go in the side and push in. And before you ask, yes, I put the motherboard in to make sure I knew which way this was going to line up. How cool does that look, guys? Yeah, alright, we are getting there. We are getting places. Alright, obviously we have the old thermal paste. The reason why I was just gonna put this back on because it's still wet. Because the other chip didn't work, and I was wondering if the chip is broken or whether I have to update the BIOS and it will accept a different chip. So I do want to try that. So do I just want to put this on for now and then see if the other chip would work? Otherwise, I don't have another system to test it. This is the only 771 socket, was it, or 775? 775 socket. So the other chip that didn't work is a 775 chip as well, and it just didn't work in here. So I don't know if the chip is dead or whether you can update the BIOS and then you can put a new chip in there, or because I think the other chip was better. So I'm not going to put any thermal paste on just yet. I want to test the other chip, so we'll just put this on until we can power it up. Update the BIOS and see if there's an update for the BIOS. If there is no update and this is the latest BIOS, then I'll redo this thermal paste and put it back together, obviously. So we're just going to put it in now without new thermal paste. Don't scream and shout, I will do it. I just want to see if there's an update on the BIOS. And for those who don't know, the BIOS is the on-chip computer that has updates for it. So like your phone gets an update, and sometimes they update your motherboard and you can put a different chip in. or they update the motherboard to overcome other functions like bugs and stuff as well, fix issues, right? Just like your phones. So I'm not gonna, that's what I understand anyway. Don't forget, this is only my second ever computer being built. Alright, let's put the motherboard into the case. Alright. Cool. Now we need some screws. Alright guys, motherboard's in, power supply's in, DVD's in, drives are over here. I'm going to download some bootable drives. Yeah, we're basically there. I think I'm going to probably add 2 more RAMs once we power it up and see what RAMs these are, because I can't tell off the sides. And then we're going to look for a graphics card and see if we can put one of those in, because I do have some. I don't know if they work. We're going to check the BIOS. We should be ready to go. Let me, I've still got to finish painting the side panels though, so that's as far as we're going to take this today. And I'm going to spray a bit more of the side panels, which I'll show you, and then we'll end the video there. Here's the paint. Here's the panels. It turned out pretty cool, right? So I think we're going to do the square now, and we'll end the video on this. So we'll just do the square. I might have to sand this down again because I've got some overspray. I don't know how I covered it all up, but there you go. Even like down to there. Weird. Yeah, so let me tape off this. Let me tape off the number, and then we'll spray a couple of coats. And I've also got to go down the shops and get the blue, so we can finish off the blue. And my dreaded iridescent yellow pattern is going to absolutely kill me. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but yeah, let's get onto it. Alright guys, we're all masked up. We're ready to spray this square. I'm going to go with a white. What's happening guys? We got the blue paint. Shops are back open, so we're ready to finish this project. We've sprayed the white. That's ready to have a look at. Let's have a look at it. Alright guys, and there we have it. We can see the outline of the square now. And let me see if I can just take off this tape here. Here we go. Beautiful. Alright, so our number's fully done guys, it's fully done. Next we're going to do the outline of that pattern there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it will all come through with our fluorescent paint. The thing I hate the most out of all of this project was this paint. Never using this again for sure. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you like this stuff, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Hit the like, hit the notification bell, and also if you don't win this one, then I will be doing another giveaway. If I can get to 1,000 likes, 1,000 subscribers, not much to ask, I will definitely do another giveaway. If I get 10,000, I'll do a bigger giveaway with better components. But we're not there yet, so we're going to continue doing this kind of stuff. Hope you enjoy it. Next video is going to be in a couple of days. We should be ready to make the call and give it away in a couple of days. This should be done because I can't do anything now for another for 24 hours, whereby then I can cover this up and then start working on the decal. So in a couple of days you will see another video, and I'll either be giving it away then, or it'll be the weekend, I think. So it'll be the weekend definitely that we'll be giving it away. And yeah, stay tuned. Again, subscribe, let me know what you think. Catch you on the next one.